Nearly 200 cases dismissed over concerns of two state troopers' credibility, and some think it should be more. It's a story we've reported on extensively.
Some people have written to WRAL wanting to know why older cases involving these troopers are not under the microscope. WRAL investigates Sarah Kruger shares what she has learned.
The Wake County DA says the cases she dismissed were the pending ones involving Trooper Macario and Sergeant Morrison. But what about the people already convicted? Some of them feel like they too should have recourse. Body camera video from this chase and deadly crash in October is what kicked off an SBI investigation and raised questions about two troopers' credibility. Then the dismissal of nearly 200 cases, primarily DWIs. WRAL Investigates heard from a man who wonders why his conviction from a 2021 case is still standing, telling me the troopers' credibility issues likely did not happen overnight.
The DA can't do anything to a case that a judgment's been entered. Only a judge can.
Daniel Meyer is an attorney not related to these cases. He explained DAs only have the power to dismiss cases that are pending, and that's what DA Lauren Freeman did.
But when it is prior cases, the only way to get it overturned is what they call an MAR, a motion for appropriate relief.
A motion that would have to be filed by the defendant and have a hearing before a judge. I sent a number of questions to DA Freeman asking if anyone has filed MARs in these cases. She says a few have, and they were granted. I asked if she plans to review more cases. She told me she does not. Her email saying in part she will only support dismissing cases in which the convictions were after the October crash, because before that, there is no information that would establish a lack of credibility. Although some, like the man who reached out to us, take issue with that, their only recourse is to file a motion for appropriate relief and hope a judge sees his perspective.
Would you guess that any MARs that are filed involving them have a good chance of making it through?
I would think most of them, at least within a certain period of time, would have a reasonable basis of getting granted.
The SBI tells me it is still investigating the two troopers, but things are wrapping up. The SBI hopes to have a final report to the district attorney soon. Sarah Kruger, WRAL News.
We reached out to the Highway Patrol to see if they had any comment on this situation. We haven't heard back from them. The two troopers have been reassigned to administrative duty.